Introducing the Oppo Reno 13, India's first look at Oppo's premium mid-range marvel. Scheduled for a January 2025 release, this camera-focused powerhouse has already captured attention, thanks to a recent image leak. The leaked live image showcases a stunning new dark blue or purple shade, exclusive to the Indian market. Its sleek design features a unified glass back that seamlessly integrates the AI triple camera module, surrounded by a unique glow, possibly from an LED strip or a brilliant reflective design. The Reno 13 also boasts a sturdy metal frame, reinforced by visible side antenna bands, giving it a premium feel. The ring-shaped LED around the camera adds both functionality and a futuristic aesthetic. While the specifications of the Indian variant are still under wraps, let's take a closer look at what its Chinese counterpart offers. The Oppo Reno 13 features a 6.59-inch curved-edge AMOLED display with a crisp 1.5K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8350 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. The Reno 13's camera system is designed for photography enthusiasts. It flaunts a 50-megapixel Sony LIT600 primary camera with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an impressive 50-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. Battery life is no issue with a massive 5,600 mAh battery supporting 80-watt fast charging. Plus, the phone runs on ColorOS 15, based on Android 15, ensuring a smooth, intuitive user experience. Priced at an estimated range similar to its predecessor, the Reno 12, which launched at Rs 32,999, the Reno 13 is expected to be a worthy upgrade for those looking for a stylish, camera-focused smartphone. Stay tuned for more updates as Oppo prepares to make its grand Indian debut.